Charlie Kirk, a well-known conservative activist in the United States and staunch ally of President Donald Trump, was shot dead at an event at Utah Valley University. Video of the incident circulating on social media showed Kirk speaking to a large outdoor crowd when a loud crack, a gunshot rings out. Kirk was on a speaking tour, and his stop at Utah Valley University was the first of at least 15 scheduled events at universities around the country as part of his American Comeback Tour. Before the shooting, he was seated at his Prove Me Wrong debating table, taking questions from an audience outdoors. Seconds later, Kirk could be seen struck in the neck as he falls from his chair. No one else was shot during the event. Kirk's wife and children were also present during the incident. "31-year-old Charlie Kirk was the eloquent spokesman for a younger generation of Donald Trump's hard-right Republican movement. He boasted millions of followers on social media who delighted at his whip-smart edits and provocative takedowns of hecklers and ideological challengers. Born in 1993, Kirk grew up in the suburbs of Chicago. He often recalled his first brush with political awareness was at age 15, when Democratic Barack Obama won the presidency in 2008. Many of his classmates celebrated Obama's win, but Kirk wasn't one of them. He briefly enrolled at Harper College in Palatine, but dropped out to pursue conservative activism. He would later embrace the decision as part of his persona. Then at the age of 18, he co-founded Turning Point USA, a non-profit conservative advocacy group. The group grew rapidly, eventually boasting hundreds of chapters across the country. Turning Point USA became a launchpad for conservative speakers and a hub for young Republicans. Its conferences drew thousands of students, and its podcast, led by Kirk's Daily Show, built him an online following of millions. Kirk gained access to Donald Trump Jr., and soon after, his father, Trump, leaned on Kirk not just as an organizer but as an advisor with a strong feel for the Republican youth base. He addressed the Oxford Union earlier this year and in 2020 wrote a bestseller, The MAGA Doctrine, a reference to Trump's Make America Great campaign. Kirk was also close to J.D. Vance, playing a behind-the-scenes role in his 2022 Senate race in Ohio. He lobbied hard for Trump to pick Vance as running mate in 2024. Charlie Kirk was married to Erica Francois. The couple met in 2019 and were married in May 2021. Charlie and Erica have 2 children, a daughter Sarah Rose, born in 2021, and a son born in 2023. Well, Erica has not commented publicly on her husband's death.